So the scoping study we put out this morning, that's a really important milestone for the company. Huge body of work has gone into the announcement this morning, 70-odd pages. Importantly, the scoping study has confirmed that we had an economic proposition at Lady Herial. And we knew that, and we disclosed that pretty regularly throughout the first quarter and the second quarter of this year. We've ran pit optimizations. There's a range of different pits, different gold prices. We picked one pit in particular as the design pit, and we've taken that through a very detailed mine design process that confirms that Lady Herial, as we knew, is sticking under the ground, it's high grade, it's particularly thick, and it generates some fantastic financial forecast information. So really important for the company, really important for the team, obviously really important for shareholders, forecasting potential cash flows on a 100% basis of just under $45 million. So really good news, really pleased, and now lots of work to do moving forward. Lady Herial, as it currently stands, one of the benefits of it being small and modest is that we can knock it over pretty quickly. Today's announcement spoke to the fact that we're expecting this to happen in the next 6 to 12 months. And it's probably a 6-month project to mine. There'll be a little bit of a delay on the processing side of things. But subject to commercial agreement with Goldfields, our major shareholder, to put the Lady Herial materials through their plant, which is only 7.5 kilometres away from the project, it speaks to the cash generation ability of the company. So if we put that cash in the bank, as the financial forecast information suggested today, it really makes us super robust. It makes us immune from any issues with the equity markets. The world's a very volatile place at the moment, but gold is going gangbusters. So what that does do is it sets it up. It means we can explore way more aggressively. We're one of the only companies that owns mining leases in the amazing St Ives camp, a 16 million ounce camp, and we're right in the middle of it. So Lady Herial is a springboard. It's a catalyst, hopefully for a lot more discoveries. We announced earlier this year that St Ives Goldfields, a major shareholder, has waived the right of preemption that it had from 2014 when we originally were a private company and joint venture in this ground. So the very first step after today's announcement is to agree commercial terms with Goldfields, and we have a 90-day period. Hopefully that will kick off soon in the very near future. And I'm very confident, obviously Goldfields as our major shareholder, but also having a plant right next door, are very keen to talk to us. That's probably the most important priority. Obviously to mine the project, we need to permit it with the Western Australian government. That's well advanced. We've done a lot of the work in parallel this year. It's not all about drilling, it's not all about assays, it's not all about announcements. There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to put the company in a position to permit Lady Herial. So again, like we discussed last time, with being here and market open, very clear guidance to really important projects, agree with commercial arrangements at Goldfields, and permit a deposit with the Western Australian government, and both those processes are well in hand. So big day today, but still lots of work to do for the rest of 2025.